remember that we're focusing on the entities themselves, and that is a table. So you're not going to see the overall tables and data that you saw in the previous chapter. We're not there yet. We're trying to get the overall design down first before we start adding data to it, because we might find that, hey, using a primary key in one spot should be related as a foreign key in another table. This is trying to give us the big 10,000 foot view of what's going on. So again, you're not going to see any data. You're not going to really see a lot of details on what the attributes are going to be, the ranges, and that's something that we need to keep in back of our head. So as we're designing this, we should be thinking about it. But this is a very, very general view. So you're going to see this I hate to put it this way, this one stupid thing right here of car actually gives me a lot of information, even though there's no data that's inside of it. Once we start adding some features to it, we'll also see some different notation to them as well, and I'll go over that here in a second. But we're going to also add relationships just like we did in our ERMs. So there's a lot of things, for those of us that are visual learners like I am, these ERDs are going to give us a lot of detail and a lot of room for us to do our design before we start getting really into the nitty-gritty. Because again, we want to have the big picture so we can see if there's any redundancies, see if there's any foreign keys we need to worry about, and a lot of details that it doesn't matter if the data's there or not. If we don't do it right in the design, that's going to be the overall issue. And that's really what ERD and the entities, the focus on entities, is going to be about today.